It is time to put away my Christmas stuff. I had a couple things. I didn't have a lot of Christmas decorations this year, but I have a couple things out. So I'm just gonna put them in a little bag in back of my closet. And then I'm gonna bring out some new pillows I bought, because I think I wanna do like seasonal pillows. So spring, summer, I'm gonna have the pillows that I just bought. And then fall time, I'm gonna change the pillows to like fall colors. And then holiday time, it'll be like Christmas. So I just feel like that's really fun and cute to do. So this one, I got this from Target. It's a tree pillow. So I'm gonna put this away in the bag. But it lights up, and I got this from Five and Below. So I have this like next to my TV. So I'm gonna put this in here. Last but not least, I got this girl from Target. She's so cute. I'm gonna go on this side. She's so cute. I feel like I bought it because I feel like she looked like me. So I was just like, oh wow, I love it. So she's gonna go in the bag. I am super excited about the new pillows that I got. I went to World Market. My sister actually told me about World Market, and for some reason, I've never been there before. So then when I went, I was like, oh, like that girl, that meme, she was like, oh, I didn't know that they had home decor, food, like, I got a membership now, so whenever I go, I'll get money off. So this was the first pillow I bought. I love it. I just feel like it just feels like summer to me, like spring, summer. So this is my spring, summer pillow. And this was the other pillow that I bought. These will go on the end. Very soft. I love like textures like this. So I wanted to get a pillow that was just nice to lay on. So I got this pillow. I also just love the color. It feels really nice. This is the other pillow that I got. I decided to not make them match. At first, I bought this pillow first, and then I went back like a week later and I was like, oh, should I get a matching pillow to it? But I decided to go with the other one. So I feel like it looks cool because it's like quirky, my quirky couch. So this is the other pillow that I got. And then I got this like beautiful knitted blanket. I use it a lot like when I'm working from home. I'll just like wrap myself up with this. Having a lot of soft pillows and soft blankets, it just makes me feel like very cozy and like at home. So I just love it. I've been living alone for about 3 years now, and it's been a really great experience. I think it's something where when you do hit this adulting phase of your life, you want your own space. You want to decorate it how you want. You want to have your friends over and just see the space as your own. Because I grew up in a house with a sister and a brother, and it was kind of like, I feel like I had my room, but like I didn't necessarily have like my own stuff in the house where it was like, oh, this is like my couch and like my pillows. Like it was just kind of like how my parents decorated it. But now that I have my own space, it's just been fun. Like it's been fun to imagine what home feels like to me, and that being something that is where I get to relax. I get to have people over. So it's just kind of interesting to feel that now, and I really enjoy it. I think that living alone is a very introspective experience as well. You get to learn like a lot more about yourself. I feel like you also just take care of yourself as well. Like, you're the only one who's gonna be washing the dishes and washing your clothes. It's like no one's here to like remind me to do that. I need to get better at doing that, but it's like I have to hold myself accountable. And I feel like that is kind of like just a big lesson I've learned from living alone. I'm about to put up these affirmations. I believe they're more resonant with Chinese New Year. So they had these sheets at my work and I was like, oh, that's really cool. And the words are really cool, like the phrases. So one of them says, may you be happy and prosperous. May wealth and treasures fill your home. May good fortune fall upon you. So just like, I feel like good things for me to see before I leave the house. So I was thinking about putting it like close to my door. So I can just like, maybe I just read one of these, like, and I'm like, oh, okay. Wishing you abundance and prosperity every year. Like, I can just remember that and just keep it replaying in my head. The next one I'm gonna put up is definitely more cheeky, but I really like it. So this is what it says. I'm not gonna say it because I don't want this video to get, I don't know, banned or anything. But I wanted to put this up because I feel like it's a good reminder to just and do what you want to do, like live your life. Who cares? We're on a floating rock in the middle of the universe. I just feel like, yeah, like don't sweat the small stuff, you know? So I'm gonna put this up. I'm trying to think where I wanna put it. I think I might put it right here, like next to my TV. I think along with like the introspective stuff, when you live alone, I think you really do have to learn how to become your own best friend. There would be times where I would just be like spiraling or, you know, just having like a moment. And I feel like in those moments, I had to nurture myself and be friends with myself because no one else is here. So I think that that is super powerful, right? To know how to nurture yourself, especially when you're feeling down or you're feeling anxious, like finding out what those coping mechanisms are or the way that you can self-soothe. That is so powerful. Like, oh man. Like I've just had days where I'm just like, I'll just cry or just like, you know, I'm a Cancer. I feel like crying is just a way to express yourself. Like, I don't think it's bad. I feel like when you can know and understand yourself, you can heal yourself, you can self-soothe. And I think that that's very powerful because we spend a lot of time with other people, like if you're in a relationship or your family's around all the time. It's like, when do we really get the time to be with ourselves? Like, no talking, silence, you know? And that's what I really appreciate right now about this point in my life of living alone, is I get to embrace the silence. Like, if I don't want the TV on, if, you know, no loud noises, like I don't have to have that. And so I really relish in this time because at some point, like, I can definitely see myself moving in with like a partner, but until that point, I'm enjoying the silence. I'm enjoying that I'm decorating it how I want. Like, I really feel so grateful for this part of my life because it's like, I get to experience my own like aesthetic and vibe, and no one else is here to like have input, you know? So I just think it's great. Like, I'm really happy that I got to this point in my life because for a while I was living with other people, you know, roommates, family, but this has been just like a cool ride, honestly, just to decorate my space, decorate my home. Like it just feels nice. Like I'm really happy with my apartment and the way that things look. So yeah, living alone is honestly pretty cool. I am about to go run some errands. I need to get groceries, and I also want to check out this mall that's nearby me and just like see what they have. My goal this year is to revamp my wardrobe and just find things that fit me better and look nicer. So I have my eye on maybe getting a couple things. So I'm just gonna try some stuff on, see what I like, get groceries, and then I gotta cook dinner. I just got back from my shopping trip and I got a couple things. So I thought I would do a little haul for you all on some of the stuff I got. So the first thing I got was a couple tops. This is from Cotton On. I really like Cotton On's tops because I feel like they are very figure flattering, I notice. And I just really like this color. So this is kind of like a salmon-y color. I don't know how to describe it exactly, but I like it. It's not red, but it's not fully pink either. It's kind of like in between. So I like this top. I feel like it's going to look really nice with like gold jewelry. The next top I got is in the same style, but it's more of like a periwinkle color. I really like these kind of tops. I notice I gravitate more towards these under like, or not under, with like pants or skirts. I think this is just gonna be my go-to for the summer. Ironically, it's already starting to get a little hot in California, so I'm probably gonna be breaking these out a little bit sooner than I thought, but this, really great. The next one I got is a tube top. I really like tube tops actually. I think the trick is to actually just size down if you are, more gifted in that area. The next thing I got, I'm actually very excited about, is this like crochet like sweater cardigan thing, but I really like the sleeves because they're kind of like flared out like that. And I just think it's really cute. I think that this is just going to be really nice to wear during the summer with like dresses and some of those tops, maybe with like high-waisted shorts or skirts. So I also just love crochet, like anything crocheted or like knit, I just really like it. So I got this as well. And the last thing I got, I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but I just never like took the time to do it. This is a slip dress. It's really cute. I really love like the lace detailing on the front of it. And then there's also like a little lace detail right here as well. So I'm excited to wear this because it's still like cooler in the evenings. So I was thinking to wear this with my leather jacket and like heels. And I feel like that would be so cute. So I'm excited to wear this. I kind of wanted to go for that like sleepwear, like silk dress, but like with like outerwear. So with like a leather jacket or something a little bit more casual, and then put heels with it. So I'm excited about this. And this I got from Macy's. I did not go to the grocery store yesterday. I was too tired, but I went today. So I got a bunch of things from Trader Joe's. I'm about to make a pizza. I haven't had this one yet, but I'm excited to try it.